his eyes.
Yeah. You don't like the light.
Okay, so don't judge my burping techniques, because this is like, what, my second or third time doing this? I really can't remember. My third time doing this. And
You gotta beat him harder, boy. Sound like he did you something wrong. Yeah, don't judge me either. Come on, buddy.
yeah, so his back is getting red.
Come on. You wanna switch? Let me show you how it's done.
Listen to Kyle the Pro. And don't get me wrong, I'm not being sarcastic. He is a pro.
I'm not a pro.
He's like better than me at everything.
Mm-mm.
You feed him better.
Mm-hmm. I breastfeed him better.
Oh, I clean him better.
Yeah, you do. Someone's at the door.